In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subscription product in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a product that bills customers on a recurring schedule with clear settings and a smooth checkout experience. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head to the Commerce section. This is your control center for everything related to products and sales. From here, decide whether you want to create something new or convert an existing item. If you're starting fresh, choose to add a product and select the type that best fits your offer: physical, digital, or service. If you already have a product you want to convert, open it from your product list. Either way, make sure the title and description clearly explain that it's a subscription so customers know what to expect. Next, find the option to make this a subscription product. In the product editor, look for pricing or billing controls and toggle on the subscription setting. Once that's enabled, set your subscription details. Choose a billing frequency that matches your offer. Monthly, quarterly, or annually are common choices, and enter the price for each cycle. Keep the price consistent with the value you're delivering. If your product has variations, confirm that the price and frequency apply correctly to each one so there's no confusion at checkout. Now it's time to review everything. Open the product page preview and check how the subscription is presented. Make sure the frequency, price, and any notes about recurring billing are crystal clear. Confirm the call to action button shows a subscribe option, and that any related settings like inventory for physical items or access notes for digital content line up with a recurring purchase. This review step is where you catch small details that can make a big difference in customer trust. When you're happy, save the subscription product. Don't skip this. Saving applies all your changes to the live site. After saving, do a quick refresh of the product page to confirm everything looks the way you intended. Finally, test the checkout flow. Add the subscription product to your cart from the live preview or your site's storefront and proceed to checkout. Look for a clear indication that it's a recurring purchase, including the billing cadence and ongoing total. Move through the steps until you're confident customers can subscribe without surprises. If anything seems off, return to the product settings, adjust, save, and retest. That's it. Your subscription product is ready. Thanks for watching and good luck with your launch.